What's up everybody, I'm Andre, and this is Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. Okay, so today we're talking about Buddha's hand. This thing is actually a fruit. A citrus, to be more exact. Its predecessor is said to have been brought to China from India by Buddhist monks. It was later cultivated along the Yangtze Valley. The hybrid version that we see today is of course cultivated in China, but also places like Japan and California, where it also goes by another name, fingered citron. No, I'm not making this up. And even though some varieties are used for decorative purposes, it is actually edible. Well, the outside part is. In most varieties, it has no pulp or juice, but the zest is said to have a lemony floral flavor. Similar to other citrus, the Buddha's hand needs a warm, temperate climate, and it has a harvesting season of about 3 months, November to January. Did you know there are at least 6 types of Buddha's hand? Some are grown ornamentally, and some are used in traditional medicine. Some have the palm open, some have the palm closed. Unlike most citrus, the rind isn't bitter. It's said to be sweet and candies very well. In China, the Buddha's hand symbolizes happiness and long life. In some parts of Japan, it's a popular New Year's gift because it symbolizes good fortune. People use the zest to infuse a bunch of things. For example, olive oil, sugars and salts, vodka, and they also use it to make marmalade. Some people even use it as a disinfectant when added to vinegar. Clean your house, make it smell great at the same time. In just 6 grams of Buddha's hand, you will find 3 calories, 0 grams of protein, 0 grams of fat, 1 gram of fiber, and 1 gram of carbohydrates. But it does contain a lot of vitamin C and calcium. And some doctors believe that due to its chemical composition, Buddha's hand plays an important role in helping to treat many medical conditions. It acts as an anti-inflammatory. It may help in boosting your immunity. It may also help in regulating blood pressure, relieving menstrual pains, and in lowering cholesterol. Well, that's all I have for you this week. And if you've managed to not be scared off by this beautiful monstrosity, I'm talking about the fruit, not me. Awesome! Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos, just like this one. Okay guys, I'm Andre, and this was Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world.